Look at this, guys. This is kind of sick how good this gold and silver truffles looks like. This is nothing what you see in any other video, and this is just really special. Make it really pop and makes your truffle plate for any party just amazing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am really happy to have you here. We are going to make chocolate truffles, the most amazing chocolate truffles you ever had. And if you're new to my channel, I do videos just like this one, so hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my video. And now let's get cooking. You will need unsweetened chocolate. This is my favorite brand, but you can use Baker's unsweetened chocolate as well. A little bit of sea salt, heavy whipping cream, and powdered xylitol. I didn't have that, so I just powdered it with my mixer. You can use anything you like, just make it a powder form. Double boiling system, and you just put on the chocolate on low heat and wait until it melts. Okay, this is fully melted, and now you just mix this together. Perfect. Good. Now we will add a pinch of sea salt, half a cup of powdered xylitol, and just mix this together. Very good. And now we will remove it from the stove and slowly add the cream to this. Okay, I'm gonna add a very little of the cream, like that much. And then you can mix this together or use your hand mixer and mix this together, and this is what I will do. You just keep mixing it until it's nicely getting together. And of course, leftover chocolate in the pot is something you can eat until you wait that your truffles are forming in the fridge. Look at this, guys. This is kind of sick how good this gold and silver truffles looks like. This is nothing what you see in any other video, and this is just really special. Make it really pop and makes your truffle plate for any party just amazing. Look at how good this looks. And you can see here coconut and almond flakes, just raw cacao powder, cinnamon mixed with sugar. Of course, it's xylitol, not sugar, but the effect is amazing. And I'm going to link the products below for you. And this is mineral powders. I'm super happy with it. It's eatable and very, very good to work with. Probably you're gonna see me in other videos using them, and I will find something similar on Amazon for you. So everything will be in the description box below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.